My name is Mudabbir, and I have an opportunity to attend this CPIR course by Amar Singh. So today, actually, being into the business from past few years regarding SOC, as in SOC head of SOC for Bank Al Habib. I found this course really interesting. And today, actually, I have learned few things which obviously gives me lot good ideas to work around in my daily operations. Number one is basically the concept of risk management for incident response and planning. And number two, the artifacts for the list of facts which we maintain. So these are the two things which is obviously an added value for being a practitioner into this field. Apart from this, the important point I have learned today is how to translate technical language into the business language, and how to address complex situations in more convincing manner with management. So, in nutshell, this course obviously helps me to more understand business needs and how to translate business needs into an incident response plan overall. So I am very happy after attending this course, and I take this opportunity to thank Amar Singh and CMA Alliance to design this course. Thank you very much.